Race. What's up? Montero's here, bro. Open. Tulungan mo ako kasi may bubuksan tayong camera na bago. And I need you to hold this phone, bro. May bago tayong gagamitin sa mga POVs natin.
Oo naman, super lang.
Bagong camera. As per mandated by DJI International, all DJI units must be activated within 5 days after purchasing. Eh, nung isang araw pa namin ito nabili. Kailangan na natin buksan.
I'm staying like this.
Okay lang.
Naman ka na mo.
Bad news kasi nawala yung yung kamerang ginagamit ko dati. Naalala mo yung dati, Spia? Yung Hero 12.
Yeah, I know.
Nadukot. So, parang isang buwan na akong walang upload. Dapat recording yan kasi
Yeah, of course, bro. Why would I off it?
dapat recording para pangalan nito, sabi nung sales lady, i-record daw natin pag i-unbox. At the same time, gagawin na natin content.
Bakit dapat i-record pa?
Oh, kasi paano kapag hindi pala gumagana, ganun. DJI Osmo Action 5 yung pinili ko pala kasi parang nag-research ako. Bad trip ako sa sa Hero 12 kasi nag-overheat siya. So kinompare ko Hero 13 yung pinakabagong GoPro, and ito parang mas prone sa overheating yung 13 comparing dito. Tapos mas mahaba yung battery life comparing sa Hero 13. Subukan natin. Hindi ko pa alam. Ngayon ko pa lang malalaman. Ngayon pa lang namin malalaman ni Sophia. Sabi niya dito, open. Still recording, bro?
Yeah.
O, tanggal mo yung jacket mo muna. That's my videographer. Kakatapos maglaro ng badminton. Ngayong Sabado may laban sila sa Laguna. So, gagamitin natin tong camera na to pang POV. I think gagawa din tayo ng YouTube channel ni Sophia. Para doon natin ilagay yung mga laban niya.
Pwede din ako mag-record by myself.
Oo. So, this composes of extension rod,
Can I sit in front?
battery 3. What?
Can I sit in front?
What do you mean? Dito?
Yeah.
Mamaya kapag paano ako mag-unbox? We don't have space. Battery case. So may dalawang box. 1, 2.
Wait, let me extend.
Ano? Basta video mo lang. Ano pa dito? Ito yung... This is my sword.
No, it's not. It's not sword.
This is my sword, bro. I'm gonna follow your pet with this one. Oh, DJI Action. I think kung mahaba to eh. Ay, hindi. Ganyan lang siya. Maliit lang. Or I don't know, bro. So, unahin natin yung isang box. Yung isang box composes of, what is this, bro? Mount. Mabilis ang unboxing lang to mga pare kasi ginabi na kami, may pasok pa si Sophia bukas. This is Type-C, right? Type-C cord. And
But I don't know all of this stuff. You're the computer one. Or you're the camera one.
the camera, bro. This is the manual that we don't read, right?
Yes.
And oh, I got a sticker, bro.
Can I have it?
Oh, that's yours. And QR code. And then oh, parang power bank.
Of course it's a...
And 3 batteries. Okay. 3 batteries na 1950 mAh. Oh, mabigat din siya. I mean, parang ito yung karga ng isang box. The other box is, let's see, bro. Meron siyang silica gel para hindi magpawis. Oops. So, yung isang box composed of 2 items. The camera itself, yung camera, oh. Boom. Wow. Parang napaka-premium. Sabagay, the price is not joke.
28,099.
990. 99. So, yun yung price niya.
I will off this one.
I don't even know where to put the SD card, bro. I don't.
Don't know. I thought you're a camera boy.
No, this is a brand new camera. Tapos, first time natin magka-camera ng ganito. The first camera that we use is a GoPro, bro. Di ba?
Yeah, pero
No,
di
wala.
ba you know how to use a GoPro?
Oh, there's a media mod, bro. Is this a media mod? Kasi sa GoPro, yung media mod, parang bibilhin mo ng separate. Ay, hindi. Casing lang yata to. Case lang yata to, mga trupa. Kala ko media mod.
Alam ko.
And, what?
Napagod na.
Oh, malapit na. Binibilisan natin. And a mount, bro. Oh, actually, okay na. We're just gonna turn this on with... kapag bibili pala ng ganitong camera, wala siyang kasamang SD card. So, we bought 2 pieces, 128GB. Oh no, someone fell off. You tired? You tired?
Of course. I've been holding this for 10 minutes. I mean 9:41 seconds.
Oops, tanggalin natin to. Wait, I forgot the SD card. Don't worry, last one, okay?
But why are you putting it there?
What do you mean? Hindi, we're gonna use this one kasi pang record na ngayon kasi i-unbox natin tapos susubukan na natin.
Okay.
Yung isang gusto ko pala dito sa Osmo. Oops. Lamang daw ito eh. Lamang ito comparing sa low light recording. Oh, English, bro. Skip 5 times remaining. Disconnect your download the GI. Skip. Try na natin mag-record mga trupa. Oops.
Bakit siya?
Okay, record. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung anong settings nito. Ito yung default settings niya. And we're gonna record. Sige, Sophia. Turn that off na. And we're gonna use this one to record na po.
Okay,
Bye-bye,
guys.
guys. Sabihin.
Bye, guys. We're going to switch to this one.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Bye.
You still wanna go in front, bro?
No, not anymore.
Not anymore? You sure?
Yeah, kasi gusto ko maghiga. Tapos may... Tingnan mo, oh.
Hindi, I will put them down if you want. I will put them down. You wanna stay here?
Yeah. May natulog ako yung last week. Ay,
We're gonna put them down, but don't step on it, okay?
okay.
Oops. Except my cards, of course. My cards will stay here, bro.
This is my
What's that?
sticker.
Yeah, that's yours.
This mine.
You want?
Can we stick it here? Or hindi na?
Where?
Here or hindi na?
No need.
Okay.
I'm just gonna fix this one later on. Say hi to the camera.
Bro.
Nothing really special. Mag-POV lang ulit tayo. Pure driving, bro.
Hi!
Huwag ka masyadong malapit, hindi ka makikita. Three, two, one. Let me just check the video angle. Oh, that's cool, bro. Parang mas maganda nga yung yung recording niya pag low light. I made some researches before buying this one kasi kaso hindi joke yung price niya. But anyways, as long as quality video, there's no problem with it. You ready? Put on your seatbelt, bro. testing. Ito lang yan, nothing fancy. Magdadrive lang tayo pa uwi.
Di ba walang sounds?
Yeah. We should turn off the sounds para hindi tayo maka-copyright. Pati yung music ng games mo, medyo hinaan mo lang para hindi marinig. Pero much better kung wala na lang.
Yeah, I don't even need music.
Good. How's your training pala?
Good.
Sure? Did you have fun?
Yeah. Nabit ko yung 3 high school.
3 high school?
Yeah.
How'd you do that?
One single score lang one score lang.
Okay.
Nabit ko sila kasi yung isa, si Ate Bella, nabit ko siya kasi na outside. Tapos si Kuya Lino, natalo ko siya kasi na ganun na
Nanet?
hindi na outside din, pero I don't know where. Tapos si Kuya, yung nabit ko sa 15, ganun.
Mhm.
Kami ni Tyron. Nabit ko siya sa up to 15, di ba?
Yeah.
Na nabit ko din siya, kaya 3 lang.
Oh.
Sila lang.
Oh.
Yung iba kasi malapit ko na mabit, tapos biglang na net yung iba. Tapos na outside.
Mhm. Pero doon sa training proper, mahirap ba yung training mo? Napagod ka?
Daddy, nagawin ko na yung correct sa forehand na ganun. Dapat jump ka pala, tapos palo agad.
Mhm. Nag-ball feed kayo?
Yeah.
Napagod ka hindi?
Napagod. Pero, tapos, I didn't drink for how many hours?
O ba't hindi ka nag-drink kasi?
Huh?
Why did you not drink? Ah wait, parang there's something weird.
Bakit?
Parang wala na yung video. What can you see?
Numbers.
Ah, maybe it's recording with timer on. Diyan natin matitest kung good nga ba siya. First time use namin itong Action 5.
Wait. Parang may nabasa.
Ako na, red light naman eh. 100.
Ay.
Okay na yan. Sabi niya parang wide angle siguro to. RS, wide angle. 30 FPS, 1080p. Alright. Tsaka ako na pag-aaralan yung mga 4K, 8K video niya na resolution. Yung default lang kasi ginabi naman na kami ni Sofia. Target is makauwi na mabilis, makakain, makaligo, tulog. Kasi maaga ulit bukas. Nag-start na yung pasok ng Jubiles. Basic Education Elementary. What time is it, bro?
Time? 8:20.
Oh, no, we're gonna be home at 9.
How do you know?
I don't know. I just tansya it.
Huh?
I just estimated. You need aircon or what?
Aircon.
Okay. Settings mo ba yan? Parang may marbles. Oh. Is it this one?
Ay, yung parang alam mo yung sharpener ko ba?
Ah, okay. Just a mosquito, bro.
I woke up in a new bukal.
What did you say?
I woke up in a new bukal.
What's that supposed to be?
It's a TikTok trend.
Can you fix that sound, Sophia? That's irritating me, bro. Go, what the fuck? Try not to touch the camera, bro. Did you touch it? You know? Gumagano?
No, it's not actually that one. No, it can be that one kasi ano I don't hear it from my
You know?
dad.
You know?
Ito.
Yan? Hindi, wait lang. Oh, you hear
Oh,
that?
ito yun.
Hindi sa ano yata. I think doon sa badminton bag mo. Parang may gumaganon, kumakalansing lang. Oh, yan oh.
Wala. Isa bang na-hear ko next
Wait.
Ito yung pinaka-near eh.
Ito, yung camera mismo?
May na-hear ako. Or baka ito na nigal.
I think doon sa may ano, sa may badminton bag mo. Try mong ipahiga yung badminton bag mo. Oh, meron?
Meron pa rin?
What is that, bro?
Oh, hindi naman yung badminton bag ko at bag ko kasi.
Do you hear what I'm hearing, bro? Naririnig mo ba yung naririnig ko?
Yeah, of course.
Oh, parang gumaganon nga siya.
Sabi ko sa'yo, parang yung camera kasi yung when I go next to it,
It might be the camera.
you can hear it but you cannot feel it, bro.
Yeah. Ano kaya yan? No. I think I need to fix it first. It's irritating me, bro. Oh, yun oh. Tingnan mo ah. Ito yun?
Oo nga, sabi ko sa'yo.
What is that, bro? Ay, oo, yung camera nga.
Sabi ko sa'yo. No, it can be my bag or badminton bag. Hindi, it's not the camera.
Ah, the holder. The camera holder, bro.
Yeah, the camera.
Ano ba yan? Can you hold this camera muna?
Are you still videoing, guys? Ayun nga na.
Oh, I think the thing inside this one.
It's inside?
Yeah.
What the?
May tornilyo, bro.
Ay, wait lang na this.
Ah, ayun no, may tornilyo doon oh.
Can I put this somewhere?
Wait lang. Malapit na. Ay, mabilis lang, Sophia. Ano ba yan? Oh, di ba? Ano pa rin?
Huh? Meron pa rin. Meron pa rin. Parang
Yun. Yan. Oh, wait. I'm just gonna place it here. And then, we're good to go. Oh, hindi umiinit itong hindi umiinit tong Action 5 mga trupa. Hindi kagaya nung Hero 12 na sobrang init na. Kahit short drive pa lang. You go. Pati yung
Sabi ko sa'yo, Daddy, yung
ano na yung tawag, Sofia, yung maalog na ganun. Yung sa may GoPro ngayon, hindi maalog yung video niya.
what's ano?
Yung hyper smooth stability. Check din natin dito sa Action 5 kung okay ba siya. You still wanna stay in front or dyan na?
Dito.
Ano ba mga i-check natin dito? Yung recording niya, yung low light recording, maganda ba yung eagle eye niya, I mean wide view, super view, something ganun. Super view yata yung gamit ko sa Hero 12 dati. Tapos 30 fps din. Audio, we're gonna check the audio, bro. Rinig ba yung engine ng sasakyan? Ganyan, no? Mga 2,000 RPM. Naalala ko dapat pala 30 kilometers lang, no? Naalala ko dapat pala 30 kilometers per hour lang tayo dito sa Baguio. May nanghuhuli. You hungry?
Little bit.
Ba't pala hindi mo kinuha yung water mo? Di ba ikaw nag-put dun sa amin sa storage? Bakit hindi mo kinuha?
Never oh.
You didn't drink for 2 hours of drink? Sila Tyron na umiinom sila?
No.
Hindi din na, okay. Kaya pala.
I mean, human can last only for the like 10 hours, pero it's healthy to drink like 1 hour every time. Or 2.
Kaya nga tayo kumuha ng tubig sa office para uminom ka. You didn't drink it naman. You know the customers playing in the computer shop?
Huh?
They thought you cannot understand Tagalog.
What do you mean Tagalog? So, what do you mean? I don't understand.
They thought that you don't understand Tagalog. They thought you can just understand English.
I can also understand Tagalog. Unless yung mga complicated.
itinerary natin, Sophia. We're gonna help each other, okay?
Okay.
When I park, you prepare the foods, okay?
Okay.
Tapos kakain ng mabilis, ha?
Okay.
Maliligo ka ba ngayon o bukas na?
Wait.
Body wash na lang ngayon. What do you think?
Um. Okay. Pwede naman yun. Kaya pala na English nila sa akin. Yun pala marunong ako mag-Tagalog. Yung Ilocano ang hindi ko alam.
Ilocano?
Yeah.
Hanma mo.
Yeah.
We're home, bro. So, that's it for today's video. Grabe. Isang buwan na akong hindi nakapag-upload.
Ay.
Nalungkot ako dun nung nawala yung Hero 12. Natukot bigla. Nilagay ko dun sa white bag ko yun Tapos nung gagamitin ko nawala na.
It's
Anyway,
gone.
at least we got a brand new camera na. No one's opening the gate, bro.
Bro.
I think you'll be the one who's gonna open it.
No.
Come on, prepare yourself.
Hindi ka pa nagpipit eh.
Magpipip na ako, no?
Pipit ka ulit.
I think there's a nip.
Really like to open it, but
Oops. Reverse, bro.
I don't know.
Paps! Ada to gaw di likod. Sige, tagama. Kan. Sige lang. Alright, we're good. Prepare yourself, bro. We're going down, we're going down.
Oh, I didn't ready my shoes.
Oh, magsapatos ka na. Kainin na tayo mo.
I cannot see.
Turn on the lights.
And close the door.
Oops, ay hindi, uminit din siya. For 25 minutes na video, uminit din siya. Pero nabibilib ako dun sa low light niya, oh. Ang ganda. Babush.
Babush.